inside before we go and tear it down.
I'm going to show you what's in our classes, and today we gotta do some more work on this thing. Mostly I'm gonna work on those. Get those functioning.
On the inside.
In your warm embrace, I lose myself. Nothing else matters. In time and space, there's nothing else. No. 'Cause I've been waiting for my whole life for one like you to light up the sky. Don't know what you do to the black and white. When I'm with you, I see multicolour.
That's always so cool. So Jennison's Country Club, Detroit, Carter Lake, Oregon, another Oregon. This one's faded away. This one's faded away. The stamping of the tire. All service is in the trailer. The Great Salt Lake, one of the Great Lakes, and there's a map of the Great Lakes there. ORNIA shows like San Francisco on there. South Dakota, I think. Arizona. Detroit Lakes again, Fort Detroit.
I know this is weird, but when you're holding the drill and you make it go vroom vroom, you look focused. It's actually really sexy. No, you don't look focused. You look sassy. Say something weird.
'Cause I've been waiting for my whole life for one like you to light up the sky. Don't know what you do to the black and white. When I'm with you, I see multicolour.
So we get the tail lights done. I forgot about this video, so we're clearing it. I got it quickly installed. Yeah. So we got that on there. I would love to throw the spare tire on, but when I bought some bolts, all that ended up happening is they just started stripping out. So that I'm not figuring out right now. But we set the camper back down. I need to figure out a strap system for this right now, but just 2 straps, good enough. This, we're just going to quickly clean it up, and I'm just going to straight up weld this to the frame because I'm never going to use it for anything else. I pulled this out of scrap. It's beat up already, so it's perfect for road being, because it's going to get hit by road. But it's going to be good for the store for some like little things like the pliers for the clips and stuff like that. And some chains, because this old system has whatever this is for a chain system. So I'm just going to cut it off. Probably should replace this. It's just welded on, so no, it's just they match everything on with the camper. Weld everything on. I think that's a VIN plate. Yep, welded right on, just like everything else. So we're just going to weld that on. This is bolted on, so that's fine. And we're going to cut this old chain on and weld on some new chains that I just cut from some of my chain stash. Get it done. And then in there, in the box, jack setup, and so that I may buy some pliers and stick just some roadside stuff in there. Well, I'm just gonna buy some cheap hooks on my way out tomorrow. We're using this thing tomorrow. I gotta throw my stuff in there, but she's good to go. So I said thank you guys for watching. We're at the end of the video here. Yeah, there's some redneck stuff in this one because time, and also like I probably should have prepped that metal. I prepped the metal for the chain, but those are safety chains, so I care about those welds holding. The toolbox, it's welded in 6 different spots. It'll hold, but time to put all this away and call it a night. It's been a rush to get this thing done, and whatever. We're ready to do some camping in it, and then move on to something else.
The monochrome fades away through a burst of color.